There we go. What's up, guys? It's your boy back at it again. Last figurine video didn't work so well. Got only a couple views on it. But I'm gonna just show off these real quick. I'm gonna be opening these in between each opening of these boys right here. Fuck. All right, and before we get into this, I'm gonna show off this code card because I got this a little bit ago, and one of my buddies took a bite out of the card. That buddy was not me. I don't eat cards anymore. That was a one-off joke. That didn't land too well. All right, so let's get into it. We're gonna fucking hold on. All right, we're gonna start off with opening up a Decidueye. We're gonna be focusing on Sun and Moon throughout this video. The Sun and Moon set, bought up pretty much every fucking thing from them. Alright, so there's the code for you boys at home. 3 to the front. Don't think they do energies yet. Energies are later on. We start off with a Poison Barb, Team Girl, Scold Runt. Fuck. Had a little stroke right there. Mojo Jojo, Little Berry, Spider-Man, Marines, nice little Stuffle, a Mouthful, shit, ooh, a Reverse Oranguru, and a Primarina in the Decidueye. And we got the little Fight Rock Boy. Alright, now let's get into the main course. The main course is one punch. Am I right, boys? Right off the bat, hey, got a nice little Genos. Nice little Genos. I don't think it came with the shit. Oh no. Here it is. And let's just peg this on. Can these work with the Steven Universe ones? They can. Incredible. Now we've got our Garnet with our little Genos. Little Genos ready to fly in there. I can't wait for somebody to make some fan fiction of that. All right, so now we're on to our fucking Incineroar pack. Incineroar. Come on. There's a little code for you boys. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. And then at the end, it's dark. Dude, you know what else is dark? My emotions, man. Ooh. Fuck. Heckin' Edgelord right here. Menopause. Terrain. Rollout. Ricky Ticky Tavi. Chin City. Paris. Poliwag. Reverse Arachnid. And another Primarina. Okay. Alright. Whatever. Next up, we're gonna one punch this shit. One cleave. And we got nice little creepy looking sights on it. What the fuck? Look at his fucking eyes. Look at his head shape. Okay. Alright. Just put it in here. I kind of want to break this, but at the same time, I know I can't because it's one punch, dude. It's the boy. The boy who fills my void. Who would win in a fight? Caped Bully or like my severe anxiety. Fucking next up, in between our next little pack, we've got Primarina. And if there's a Primarina in here again, I'm gonna primer. I'm gonna drink primer, guys. Got another green card. I gotta stop opening them from the front because that kind of just boils it for me a little bit. And at the end is what? We got Gold Bat, Dragonair, Poliwhirl, Young Goose, Rowlet, Cosmog, Lillipup, Wingull, Potion. We got Potion. And at the end, Parasect. It's a Parasect. I'm not gonna break that. I'm not gonna ruin that card. I actually hate ruining cards. I've only done it like once. I'm guarantee you, not gonna do it again. Maybe, unless I feel like it'd be funny. One card! Inside, we've got... What is this? A different little Saitama. Different little fucking... Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Different little Saitama. Alright. Ain't much to really comment on. Can't really do shit with these. These are just solid. Alright, and our last pack for the night. What do we got? What do we got in here? Inside, we've got the code card. And almost forgot. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Don't want to ruin that. Hopefully we get something decent. Switch, Bulldor, Granbull, Sandygast, Roggenrola, Cosmog, Fumantis, Alolan Grimer, Reverse Snubble, and a Crab. And we got the fire at the end. Alright. You know what? Bonus pack. I got like a bunch of packs from the dollar store. A bunch of these Ultra Prism ones, and I thought, you know, it'd be a good idea to just get a fuck ton of these and open them, see if I can pull anything good. I don't think I'm gonna pull anything good from these packs because I opened one just to like fuck around, just to enjoy it, and I pulled this from a dollar store pack. Each of those is like $1 plus like tax, which is 9 cents. And this card is this card's worth like 10, 11 bucks on Troll and Toad. So if I were to sell this card, I would have definitely made profit. Man. But yeah, let's just open up a nice little dollar store pack, see what we can pull out of here. Anything good? Nope. Doesn't even come with like a code card, so it's like, whatever. Alright, that's the end of my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you thought. Call me gay in the comments down below for opening up some dumb little pop figures. Some little figures. And have a nice day.